So, you've decided to step into the world of fitness, and that's fantastic. It can be intimidating at first, but I promise you, it's all about starting small and building from there. Let's break down some basic exercises that will help you get comfortable in the gym and start your journey toward a healthier you. First up, let's talk about the squat. This is a fundamental movement that targets your legs and glutes. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly pointed out. Imagine you're about to sit back into a chair. Keep your chest up and your back straight as you lower your body. Go as low as you can while keeping your heels on the ground. Aim for thighs parallel to the floor if you can. Then push through your heels to stand back up. Start with 3 sets of 10 reps. Remember, form is everything. It's better to do fewer reps correctly than to rush through them. Next, we have the push-up. This one works your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Begin in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower yourself down until your chest almost touches the floor, then push back up. If that's too challenging, you can modify it by doing push-ups on your knees. Aim for 3 sets of 5 to 10 reps, depending on your strength level. Now, let's move on to the plank. This is a great core exercise. Start in a push-up position, but hold it. Keep your body straight and engage your core. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds to start. As you get stronger, you can increase the time. The key here is to keep your hips level. Don't let them sag or rise too high. Don't forget about the dumbbell row. Grab a pair of light dumbbells, bend slightly at the hips, and keep your back straight. With a dumbbell in each hand, pull them toward your hips, squeezing your shoulder blades together. This works your back and arms. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps. Lastly, let's not overlook the importance of stretching. After your workout, take a few minutes to stretch your major muscle groups. This helps with recovery and flexibility. As you start incorporating these exercises into your routine, listen to your body. It's okay to feel challenged, but if something hurts, stop. Consistency is key, so try to work out 2 to 3 times a week. Over time, you'll build strength and confidence. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Enjoy the process and celebrate your progress, no matter how small.